So you have to switch off the lights and mic me. This hour will strike the dawn. Then I call the horn. Then I call by hill and lonely fan. Then echo the horn. Then echo by hill and lonely fan. Exactly. Right on till evening. Drink. Can play in the district. Yeah. I don't love Allah Kamela. Yellow option is second. No, we're just speaking song. I forgot. Hello everybody, welcome back to Nkanelo Wagingra. My name is Mandla Legere. Bringing you another episode of Nkanelo Wagingra. Today we are talking about umlilo. Fire. We talk about fire, guys. It's DJ Sinhla's single. Yamuva.
Yeah, you know, like Tamia, you know, you.
What's going on? Mike, you learn. Okay. Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm recording. Is it raining? Oh, this guy. DJ Zinhle featuring
Long time coming?
Mazel.
Yeah.
DJ Zinhle and Mazel featuring Retali. What is the song about? Hello everybody, welcome back to Nkanelo Wagingra. My name is Mandla Legere. Today we are talking about umlilo. It's DJ Zinhle's latest single for December. Guys, I'm already feeling it. Haha. I don't know about you. So please do go there and search Kinkan Media and also subscribe. Hit subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Because if you haven't hit the notification bell, you're not going to be able to get our videos when we release them all the time. So please make sure that you're not left behind. What is the rave about? What is the rave about?
Nothing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yes, one thing. What else? What else can I put? What else can I talk about? Did I talk about everything? How long is that video?
So it's 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Should I show one?
And the ox is always because of lovely Nina.
Look at SABC One and some Mazel. Let's talk about Mazel.
Yeah.
Mazel Queen. Yeah.
Lovely competition.
Yeah. Maybe I can. Yeah. Guys, talk about Mazel. I think what else? What else want to see? I shouldn't say. What the hell? I feel like there's something I left behind. Kumalo, Mazel, the Tabile, DJ Zinhle, DJ Zinhle. That's it, man. I don't know why I feel like I left things. Doesn't have to be too long, eh? Okay. Malatiti man. Salute. Okay. Stop it. Okay, let me see. When you wanna be